Audio Jungle.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अल्ट्रा हील होम्योपैथी। मैं डॉक्टर आरती पाठक और मैं आज आपसे बात करूंगी क्रॉनिक साइनोसाइटिस की और उसका हम होम्योपैथी में ट्रीटमेंट कैसे करते हैं। तो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे इस चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि मेरे आने वाले अपडेट्स आपको मिलते रहें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अ केस ऑफ क्रॉनिक साइनोसाइटिस एंड ट्रीटमेंट विद होम्योपैथी। What are sinuses? There are four pair of paranasal sinuses in the head. These are the frontal, the ethmoidal, sphenoidal, and the maxillary. Out of these, the maxillary sinus is the largest sinus. Normally, the sinuses are filled with air and are hollow, not filled with fluid. In sinusitis, the inflammation occurs in the tissues lining the sinuses, and the sinuses get filled with fluid. The due to the discharge, the pain and infection occurs in the sinuses. Now, sinusitis is more common in people having nasal allergies, recurrent cough and coryza, nasal polyps, asthma, and those having the deviated nasal septum or the abnormal nose structure. The people having deviated nasal septum are more prone to getting sinusitis. Now, the pathology of sinusitis. What happens in this sinusitis? You can compare the normal sinus. Now you see the in the normal sinuses, the tissues lining the sinuses are not swelled and not inflamed. The drainage occurs through the cavities in the sinus, and there is no obstruction. And in sinusitis, due to the inflammation, swelling occurs in the tissues lining the sinuses, and due to the swelling, the obstruction occurs. The normal discharge is obstructed and the sinuses get filled with fluid. And due to the bacterial infection, the discharge is infected and the pain and pressure occurs in the sinuses. Now the signs and symptoms of sinusitis are postnasal from the nose. Now the signs and symptoms of chronic sinusitis. First is postnasal discharge. The mucus dips down the throat from the back of the nose. The nasal discharge or stuffiness inside the nose. There is pain felt at the root of the nose, and sometimes there is dryness felt in the inside the nose. There is headache and the pain is felt over the eyebrows or forehead, or pain in front of the cheeks or teeth due to the involvement of trigeminal nerve. There is halitosis or bad breath due to infection of the discharge, cough, tiredness, and fever. These are the symptoms of chronic sinusitis. Now, the role of homeopathy in sinusitis. Now, the role of homeopathy in treatment of chronic sinusitis. Homeopathy has an excellent role in the treatment of chronic sinusitis. It controls the inflammation and restores the normal draining of the sinuses. It controls the infection due to the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The frequency of attacks are reduced and complete cure can be attained with homeopathic medicines. Now I am presenting a case of chronic sinusitis. This is the case of a young girl, 27 years age. She came with the complaint of chronic sinusitis. The discharge was thick, yellowish, offensive, and scanty. Not much in quantity. The discharge was scanty. There is left-sided frontal, ethmoidal, and maxillary sinus involvement. The pain was felt over the whole left side of the forehead, nose, and cheeks, and the nose was completely obstructed. The concomitants and modalities present were the discharge was associated with offensive breath and loss of smell. The pain was ameliorated by warm drinks and warm application, and the pain was aggravated at the night time. In the past history, there was history of recurrent coryza and sinusitis, the frequent attacks which were worse in winters, and on exposure to dust and smoke, the patient gets acute attack of chronic sinusitis. Now the diagnosis was made of chronic sinusitis, and the patient was given Kali bichromicum 30 in frequent doses and repetitions at short intervals over a period of time, and the patient was said to be cured. The patient was completely cured over a period of time with Kali bichromicum. Now the indications of Kali bichromicum in cases of chronic sinusitis are: Kali bichromicum is indicated in cases of chronic sinusitis having the frontal sinus involvement. There is feeling of stopped up sensation in the sinuses. The pain is at the root of the nose and the bridge of the nose. The stuffed feeling at the root of the nose is there. The discharge of plugs and clinkers. The thick ropey discharge is characteristic of Kali bichromicum. Along with Kali bichromicum, other medicines indicated in cases of chronic sinusitis are Cilicia, Thuja, Ars iodum, Spigelia, and Sanguinaria. These are some of the most commonly indicated medicines in cases of chronic sinusitis. So for the patient suffering from chronic sinusitis, you should consult a good homeopathic physician and discuss your case. Homeopathy can definitely reduce the cases of sinus attacks and cures the patient as a whole. For any kind of consultation, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number or visit my website. You can also message me in the inbox. If you have liked my video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be safe and healthy. Bye.